I love entertaining, and the key to any great get-together is delicious food. Let me take you through one of my easy favorites. First, saute 1 medium onion and Johnsonville mild Italian sausage until it's cooked through. The key here, and with any recipe, is using quality ingredients. Johnsonville sausages are crafted from a family recipe with just the right blend of herbs and spices for perfectly balanced flavor every time. Add garlic, coriander, cinnamon, chili flakes, and saute for 2 minutes. Then add white wine and cook until evaporated. Add chickpeas, basil, parsley, chicken stock, and tomatoes, and simmer for about 30 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Slice the ciabatta, drizzle with a little olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and grill until golden brown. Ragout is another word for a rich, slow-cooked stew of meat and vegetables. This recipe makes about 18 appetizers, the perfect party fare. For more details, visit johnsonville.ca.